Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot and insert it in Google Docs. So firstly we have to take screenshot. Google Docs doesn't have any built-in screenshot tool, so you'll need to use your computer shortcut. If you are on a Mac like me, let's say I can open this YouTube and I'm gonna press Shift Command number 4, and this is going to give you this drag tool. So you just have to drag the area which you want to screenshot. So let's say this is my channel name, I can screenshot it. And now this should save the image on your desktop on the default. So what I can do, I can go back to Google Docs, and if you're on Windows, you just have to press Windows key, Shift and S on your keyboard. Then click on Insert, Image, and we are going to upload this from our computer. You can go to desktop, and here I can see my screenshot. So I'm gonna open it. This is it. I can resize it by the corners. You have a couple of formatting options, so you can maybe wrap this around the text. You can put this behind the text if you want. If you want to change brightness or contrast of the image, you can click on image options, and here you have many options. So if you click on adjustments, you can change opacity over here. So if the image is behind the text, you can make the text stand out more. And this is how you can take screenshot and insert it in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.